Hey, choking me out. Hey, get this dude off me, man. You just caught that big felony, boy.
On the night of June 27, 2023, officers responded to a call about a disturbance at a Spirit Airlines in Orlando, Florida. Everyone is complaining and shouting. Here is what happened next.
This is crazy. Y'all gotta stop lying.
No, you guys are lying. Yeah, see? Hello. Don't try to betray us. We deserve this shit.
We're not gonna help you if you're gonna.
Ma'am, if we continue this on, what's gonna happen is they'll refund your money. You'll be trespassed from the airport. We're not gonna play this game where screaming at people. Listen, stop.
Go to Frontier.
Stop. Okay, I'm done being yelled at this whole time, and so are they.
You just told me. I got it on camera.
Okay, good for you.
Yelling all day.
In a few minutes, they'll refund your money, and we'll trespass you from the airport. If that's what you want, we will do that. We are not going to play this game all night, okay?
His job is to arrest us. His job isn't to give us vouchers. His job isn't to.
Don't listen to him because my job is not to arrest you. Stop listening.
He can't get you.
All cops arrest people.
When they do bad things. Over to the Spirit.
Don't put your eyes on her.
Did I even touch her? I didn't touch her.
Ma'am, why do we keep doing this?
Can we just escort them at this point?
I'm getting the land side over here.
I told him he's waiting for a letter. He went to go get it. I'm trying to.
Hey.
Hold on.
Listen, what's happening? Let me explain what's going on right now because this is getting out of control. We're not keep playing this game. Everybody's upset. I understand that. I'm trying to sympathize. Stop. No, I'm talking. I'm done. I'm talking. Right now, Goa is coming here. Remember from Goa, when people start acting up, I'm just saying this because we need to get under control. People keep acting up and threatening people. I'm not saying you're doing that, but it's happening right now. So they're coming over here, and then when that starts happening, one after another, we're going to trespass one at a time out of the airport, okay? So stop. I understand you're upset, okay? But we're not going to do this whole thing. Even you doing this right now like that, like, look at you and look at her and doing that stuff.
I never said nothing.
You just did it just now. I walked over.
I need a ladder for my job.
Okay, but when I came over here, you're very aggressive and stuff. We're not going to play this game. People are just going to start getting trespassed at the airport in 2 seconds when they start happening. So I'm going to have Landside come over, and I've already told everybody, I'm like, the next people that keep doing this stuff, they're just going to start trespassing people out of here or moving them out because they're like pushing on the plexiglass. I know they're upset, but they're like pushing on the plexiglass. This big guy right here is like in this lady's face like this. I'm like, we're not going to sit here and play this game for an hour. If you guys can't control yourselves, one at a time, you'll be trespassed from the airport. That's it.
Right, and unfortunately they need to put their foot down and not.
Well, they're trying, but these people are like, they're screaming at me, telling me all kinds of crazy stuff back there too. So they're trying to rebook them, but the only option is these people. The only flight that's going out is not tomorrow; it's the next day.
Right.
So they're upset, understandably so. But the only solution that Spirit can give them is the manager saying, "We can only rebook you."
This guy right here, he's assaulting me.
Yeah,
okay, I have to
listen.
he doesn't. So
The counters are closed for right now. Okay, the counters are closed now. The counters are closed for now.
Oh, I'm glad they're closed now.
My man. Listen. Why are we on this stuff right now? Listen.
Touch me.
Listen. Everybody can't act right now.
And I'll be on my way.
We're closed now for temporarily. We're temporarily closed for now. They're not doing anything at the moment.
And I'll be on my way.
Bro,
don't touch me.
Bro, if you put your hands up, don't touch me.
Hey, stop.
Don't.
Give me your hand.
I got it on camera. He's touching us.
You choked me out. You choked me out. Call for help. Put your hands in the back. Hey, you choked me out. Hey, get this dude off me, man. You just caught that big felony, boy. Get this dude off me, man. This is fucking crazy. Now you got a place to stay tonight. Be secure. Now you got a place to stay.
My kid is right here.
Oh, man. Stand up. Stand up. Good. Walk you outside. My leg is fucking broken.
Stand up, man.
I'ma stand up, my leg broken.
You're not getting broken. Stand up. Stand up.
My leg is broken.
Stand up.
Jackass. How the fuck I'ma stand up? My leg is broken. Hey man, my pants is falling down in front of all these people. I'm telling you, my leg is broken. How the fuck are you talking about? I'm walking. What the fuck are you talking about?
Limp on one foot.
My leg is broken, dude. My leg is broken. I don't know why. How you trying to push me? My leg is broken. Y'all gotta get a gurney or something over here. My leg is broken.
You guys good?
Hey, get my
I couldn't breathe
bag.
for like 30 seconds. He was choking me out. Like I was like tapped out.
Let me go.
Let her go, man. My son over there. They're 15.
I have a disability. She strong grabbed me. I hope y'all got that on camera. She choked me and I
take her
floated in handcuffs.
Hey, walk her out.
Yes, she did.
Walk her out.
Yes.
Well, he's getting charged at attempted murder too. I'm gonna put that on you.
No, you choked me.
You made me pass out. You choked me out and made me pass out. You're getting that attempted murder charge. See you there.
Attack me. You got the worst of it. You a bitch.
All right.
That's what happened. Tough guy.
We'll see you in court,
Tough
man.
guy.
We'll see you in court.
Tough guy and everybody around.
I know. I know. You can do whatever. You can give me all the looks you want, bro.
Giving me looks.
I ain't that, first of all. So
I don't know what you're talking about, man. Shut your mouth.
he's catching more than that stuff, more than the battery.
I just saw when I was trying to get him off here. I saw you were under on it. I couldn't see.
Oh no, he had like looked me and raised my throat, and I was like tapping out, like I couldn't breathe at all, like I was fucking blacked out.
That ain't gonna work.
Yeah. So I was blacking out for a second. I was like, I was swinging. I couldn't get anything around. He was doing this. He was doing this with the keyboard, and he was doing this, and I was like, bro, and I pushed his hand away.
Right.
He's like, don't touch me, and he hit me, and I was like, bro, do not do that.
Right.
I was like, you need to step away right now, and I put my hand like this, and he hit my hand. He pushed me, and then we just went down. What's up? Good. Yeah. Yeah. He choked me out good.
You took me out?
Oh yeah. Yeah. We were on the ground. And I was like tapping out. Yeah. Oh, he's not getting just bad early. He's gonna get more than that. Oh yeah. I was like, oh dude, it was a dog pile. Well, we like started it. They got their flights canceled, and then he was yelling at them, and I was like, we're closed, we're done this. And he started reaching his hand and like touching their keyboards, like typing on their keyboards, and I was like, bro, you can't be doing that. And he's like, don't fucking touch me, he hit my hand. And then I was like, bro, back up, and then he hit my hand. And then I was like, you can't be doing that. And then I went over, I was like, you need to back up. And then he went like this, and I was like, okay. And then we went down the ground, and just on top of me, like, headlock it. It's on camera. It's all right. It's on camera. Yeah, then we were in the ground, dude. He had me like I came down like this, and he was on top of me, and I was tapping out, bro. I couldn't see shit. Yeah. And his wife was on top of him.
Right? So actually I did the opposite. I let him live, actually.
Let him live.
Yeah, I let him live.
Perfect.
No, I could have. That's the difference. It's a difference.
Perfect.
It's like you can kill me with a gun, but you don't, right? Right? That's what you're saying. You just sound like a clown. Like the rest of y'all. You sound like a clown. You thought he was about to rush me.
This is perfect.
That's what happened. He attacked me first. He thought he was about to rush me and got the worst of it. That's what happened. So his homeboys.
Why isn't he in there?
His homeboys came. Huh?
Why isn't he in there?
Because you're a cop, just like you. Cops handcuff people, they don't get handcuffed. Even the crooked ones. Y'all handcuff people, y'all don't get handcuffed. Right, that's why you ain't in handcuffs, Right, exactly.
The ambulance is here, so they're gonna come and check you out. Yeah. I think they need to like shut down these ticket counters over here.
Yeah, these guys are creating havoc out here. They're like making phone calls. They're with them.
Oh yeah.
They're saying
that group.
they're telling their family, oh, they almost shot us. They acted like we were terrorists.
I know we're on, but this lady said like this guy's trying to grab your gun or something crazy.
Oh, he made me pass out.
Oh, jeez.
He choked me out to where like I couldn't see anything anymore. Oh yeah. This guy claims he broke his leg. The one that's 1015.
Okay.
He reached behind the ticket counter, like they were screaming at each other, and I was like, all right, we're closed. Everything's closed now. And he was like slamming their keyboard, right? And I was like, I pushed his hand. I was like, bro, you can't do that back here. He's like, don't touch me. He did the hit. And I was like, step back, keep me doing that. He did a hit again, and then we locked up. And I was like, now you're going to jail. And he's a big boy. He leaned in, he leaned in on me, and he put me in a headlock. He went down the ground, and I passed out almost. Like I was like, it was there. I think somebody got his arm back in the last second.
I was on him, and then the girl
Oh
did
yeah. And then his wife jumped on his back in the middle of it.
Can you flex your toes at all? It's not broken. Yeah, you're good, man, you're good. We don't want you, don't overdo it. It's not.
He was charged with the following: battery on a law enforcement officer, attempted first-degree murder on law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence and disorderly conduct. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.